and I am struggling right now. My lashes are falling off. I just don't understand why this lash can't get it together. But I'm gonna show you guys around. It's super hot outside, but I'm hoping that, you know, the temperatures cool down so everybody can have a good time. But I'm just gonna show you everything, and yeah, I'm gonna take you along. Make a clown of yourself. Look at that Ghanaian chocolate. All the single girls out there. Oh, this is all for sale. No. Today is having a 50% sale.
I'm in a relationship with Jesus Christ. That's it. Nobody else. That's it.
Where's your cross? Where's your cross if you're in a relationship with Jesus?
My Bible's in my trunk.
Oh.
I left it in my trunk.
What is the second verse in the Bible?
Genesis chapter 1.
Genesis it's not a verse.
I know that's cool.
It's a book. What is wrong with the order?
How many fingers am I holding? How many fingers am I holding up? 0. Okay.
Brad, come on. Okay. All right, good.
2 times, 2 more times. Hey!
Bruh, all right.
Good.
Okay.
Okay, you're good.
You have 5 seconds. Come on.
5 seconds?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
5, 4.
Oh, that's perfect right there.
3,
Bam!
Hold on, wait, I can't find the
Go! Right there. You can't touch it.
With the sticker.
To the right, up, right, to the right, far right.
Ready?
Yeah, ready? Spin! Grandma needs to spin faster than that.
I feel like it's stronger when it's hot.
No, mommy. No. Adrian, no. Adrian. Yeah, good job. Hey, Adrian is me. I'm here with the wonderful Esther. Esther, what do you have to say?
I can't wait to meet baby Esther Otisa Hallman. Very excited.
Who is that?
My goddaughter, what are you talking about?
No, that's not the baby's name.
Princess Esther Otisa.
Do you guys hear that name? That name sounds...
It has to be a name from the Bible, and Otisa is not in the Bible.
He has a biblical name?
Yes, of course. It's my goddaughter, she has to have a biblical name.
That's how you talk to them.
I know, I learned from the best. Chanel.
Hello.
Skylar is having a baby. You guys are not braids and shoving. Man, it's honey, okay? You know what I'm saying?
My ear. I have a name for the baby. You know what the name of the baby is? That's a given name.
Skylar.
Wanjiri Skyra.
No.
Wanjiri Skyra.
Princess Esther Otisa Hallman.
Hey.
No. Princess Numbutsu. What the hell is that? Guys, look. This is how it started. Right? Perfect. Literally with press-on nails on.
On your nails?
And then this is how it's going.
Dang.
I swear to God. My nails, it was so hot.
This is Kenyan.